If you're in the market for a new mattress, you might be wondering, does my mattress foundation matter? The short answer is yes. Bed foundations are an important part of getting good quality sleep. They improve support, they increase the lifespan of your mattress, they keep your bed clean by having it further from the floor, they can help improve the airflow and breathability of your mattress, and they keep your mattress from sliding. There are 4 different types of bed frames. Box springs are thick and usually made of wood and are suitable for most mattresses. Platform slat bases are made of slats and are easy to move around and repair. Solid platform frames provide the most support but are less breathable. And adjustable bases can be adapted into multiple positions for watching TV or working on your computer, while also offering health benefits for people with sleep apnea, acid reflux, or snoring problems. Speaking with a specialist will ensure that you get the right foundation for your specific mattress. Go to Bedding Mart today to get the perfect foundation for you.